Okay, it's got an adjustment for the automatic feed. I'm using this apparatus here because the handle blocks the view. Notice the top part moving. Right now it's set to get one tooth at a time, one step at a time. See if I can point at it. If I screw in this thumb screw, or screw it out, I think, now it gets 2 steps at a time. The arm will come around here and you'll see. But if you screw it back in, see how it adjusts the lever? Now you're back to 1 at a time. The screw deal goes to the table. If I can get it out there. If you hold it like this, then you can screw the table up or down. Not a very good video. Anyway, it's Goodell Pratt Model 22 hand drill. I couldn't save the chuck. It was destroyed. It's got that weird Goodell Pratt thread count on it, so I'll find another one. I think 6 different models fit this drill press deal. And real quick, let's see if we can put the handle on it so I can have that in the video too. See the lump? That's the cam that hits this. Come on, get in there. Oh, it's a 2-speed. So you've got 2 speeds of drill power, speed, whatever. And by adjusting this thumb screw, you get 1 or 2 steps at a time. So you've got adjustable feed for this and adjustable speed for the drill. Model 277, I think. Man, I hope that was right. Anyway, bye.